Hey guys, today we will be making taco soup. You will be needing Italian sausage, 2 packs, 2 cans of rotel, vegetable and chicken broth, watercress, and ranch seasoning. This is your 2 packs of Italian sausage. And it's cooking. Make sure your meat is cooked thoroughly. You don't want to be sick. So, okay, now we're needing 2 8-ounce package of cream cheese. So you're going to put that in there with your Italian sausage. So just put those two in there and mix it up. You all, I can't wait to try this taco soup. I have been seeing it online and I said I wanted to try it in a soup. I like tacos, so I said, let me give it a try. I think I like it as a soup because I love tacos. I can eat tacos every day. Yes. Fiesta, Mexican food. Yes. So those cream cheese, 2 of them are in their pot. And here it is. Cream cheese mixed up with your Italian sausage. You want to stir until everything is melted and mixed together. Now you're going to put your 2 cans of rotel. And I like mild. Yeah, so if you want spicy, you can use spicy or original, whatever. But I use mild. And now, every time you put an ingredient in, make sure you stir to get everything in there, the flavor, and just make sure everything is well incorporated together. Yes. Okay, now we're going to put our watercress in here, and it's optional. I just wanted to put a little veggie in there. It's 100%. It's the most number one vegetable. Yes, 100%. Now you're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of your taco seasonings. You all, my taco seasoning got a little stuck. Steam got over it the other day, and but it's coming out. But you need 2 tablespoons of taco seasonings. If you want to use more, you can. I would say 2 to 4 tablespoons. Yes. Okay. Next, we will be needing 1 cup of vegetable broth and 1 cup of chicken broth. I have already poured some in my pot already. Yes, you'll need 2 cups, 1 of each. Okay, and you want to stir that around. Stir it. Yes, and ooh, you all, it smells so good. It smells so good. It looks good too. You all, this is a low carb keto soup. So, yeah. I have been on a keto diet before and I lost a couple pounds off of it. And yeah. It's more fat and less carbs. Now, right here, this is optional. This is your ranch seasoning. You don't have to use it, but I said, well, I like ranch on my tacos, so why not put it inside the soup? So I just put however many teaspoons of whatever of it inside the soup. Okay, we're going to stir that in, mix it all together. Yes. And this soup right here, it should feed 6 people? And if it's by yourself, you should get like 8 servings, probably 6 to 8, right? Now that it has simmered for 15 to 20 minutes, we're going to stir it again. to see the consistency of it and see if it's ready. Look at that. Ooh, yes, you all. I cannot wait to eat. Yes. And I also can have this for the rest of the week. I will prep it and eat it all throughout this week. Now it's time to eat. This is the ending results of it. Enjoy.